In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add courses on LinkedIn. If you want to make your profile more complete and highlight relevant learning, adding courses is a simple way to do it. This can be especially useful if you've completed coursework that supports your skills, education, or professional background. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update your profile in just a few moments. To begin, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Make sure you're signed in, then open your personal profile page where all of your professional details are displayed. This is the main area where you can edit sections and add new information to help your profile stand out. Once you're on your profile, click on Add Section. This button allows you to insert more information into your LinkedIn profile, including professional achievements, education-related details, and other useful content. If you don't see it right away, take a quick look near the top section of your profile. After that, click on Recommended. LinkedIn groups profile additions into categories, and this option helps you find commonly used profile sections that improve visibility and completeness. It's a helpful place to look when you want to add something important without searching through every available category. Next, click on Add Courses. This will open the course entry form where you can enter the details for the course you want to include. LinkedIn uses this section to display coursework that may be relevant to your academic history or professional development. Now, enter the course name. Be sure to type the title clearly and accurately so it matches the actual course you completed. This helps keep your profile professional and easy for others to understand at a glance. Then enter the number. This usually refers to the course number or code, if one exists. If your course had an official identifier, add it here to make the listing more specific and organized. After that, select Associated With. This step connects the course to the relevant education entry on your profile, such as a school, college, or university. Choosing the correct associated item helps LinkedIn place the course in the right context, which makes your profile easier for recruiters and connections to review. Finally, click on Save. Once you do that, your course will be added to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully added a course to LinkedIn. Before finishing, it's a good idea to quickly review your profile and make sure the course appears correctly. Keeping these details accurate can make your profile look more polished and complete.